awurade sɛ ɔhɔyɛ so ama afi 2022 yɛwura mu yi ɛnɛ 7th January 2022 yɛnte bɔne ehu bɔne awurade na ayɛ asida ɛnka awurade dini na public holiday na public holiday nti mu bi ɛnkɔ adwuma ebi so bɛkɔ adwuma ti mu bi a very happy constitution day anapa yɛbɛsua awurade asɛm na yɛ topic and na yɛbɛsua ho adeɛ no be productive in the year 2022. Be productive in the year 2022. I was saying no me ye dwumaden boa ɔman yi ɛnkyekyereɛ yɛnyɛ dwumaden na yɛmfa mmoa ɔman yi ɛnkyekyereɛ obiara ɛwɔ sɛ obiara ɛyere ne ho ɛyɛ adwumaden na yɛde boa ɔman Ghana ɛnkyekyereɛ na Bible kan sɛm bi Genesis chapter 9 verse 1. Genesis chapter 9 verse 1. Twini say, na Onyankopɔn ahyira Noah ɛne ne ma. Na ɔka kyerɛ wɔn sɛ, monwo na monnɔɔso, na monhyɛ asase so ma. Monhyɛ asase ne so ma. Genesis chapter 9 verse 1. Genesis 9 verse 1. And God blessed Noah and his sons. And God blessed Noah and his sons and said unto them, be fruitful and multiply and replenish the earth. Be fruitful and multiply. Where Juma otumfo Nyankopɔn eni share Noah and the man in Sase. Be fruitful. As we have begun the year 2022, everybody must be fruitful. And we say we are productive. And we say to be fruitful. We to be able and then for sobi ebe ba wa busiem ebe ba awo abrabom menya kwaduro. We should be fruitful. We should work with our hands. Yemfa yensano enye bribia edi nhira bi bebrayen edi yedie bi bebrayen edi nkoso bebrayen. Be fruitful. Let's be fruitful and multiply. We should be fruitful and multiply. I was say ye won etunu ye mohon. And then yesterday a lot of programs because sorry but you cannot use all your time to pray and expect God to bless the work of your hands. 21 days prayer and fasting, 42 days prayer and fasting, 1 days prayer and fasting. Good. Let's work with our hands. Let's be fruitful. Ebia 28 days. Yeah, continuing Bible. 28 days. That is almost 1 month. Oh, they are continuing Bible. What is your objective? What is your purpose for these 28 days prayer and fasting? Is it to gather spiritual strength? Oh, Vampire said, Obey dinner version. And then say, oh, Vampire said, you should know. Well, 28 days prayer and fasting, you know. And for spiritual strength, is it for revival? Or you want God to bless the work of your hands? We do a lot or we make a lot of mistakes Ye yam from so bebrebe. Ade bia ni de obenya wom. De obenya biara any de obenya wom. So, assume you say you are fasting for 28 days. Spiritually, you will be strong. You will be powerful. But no, and yet Jumasam, and yes, Kasam. One to be condemned by bomb 21 days. And expect to say, Scabba Shoboto. It's not like that. We pray for spiritual strength. We pray for revival. Auntie, the Uber Empire say, Juma yo, says Cassandra, then listen to me this morning. And Mentina and a pine. Now you see your son. Now you know choir. But no be a new. You're not faso. Now you're bravo. Ebe si ye. Na ya brabo ebe tumpo. Na ya brabo ebe koso honam fam. Says most of us we are suffering. Honam fam mu enema nkoye mayen. Nema nkoye. Ola ya chakinere. Honam fam nema nkoye. Because there are certain things we should have done which we haven't done them. And we expect God to bless the work of our hands. The say that Jebebe say Amradi Yama and Fasoni so and I expect Rade, say Radi Enfa and Shrabi Amrayan. And now no pay Mawanina now Atonioma here. Tonioma here. That's all to Tonioma here and Shrabi. Ebeba ewa brabolu. Ti Onyankopon ka che Noah say Noah, be fruitful and multiply. Wasumungu Boso Onyankopon sha Noah, and the man ka che wan say, Mungu na munoso. Na mon she asase ne so. E ti e man so ma she adwuma se a. Adwuma na wa sha ase no. The business must increase. I was say adwuma no etumi ayakasi etumi nyiri na etumi ayakasi to be o shall say with one branch. I was say in a matter of years, maybe 3-4 years, you should be opening branches. It also to be branches of your business. Now you are being fruitful and you are multiplying. Nyaya no keke any adeka Yebebe ya de ano na aka. Yebeye. Na ya de ano aka na sa akeke. Yeria na yakoda. We don't put our ideas into practice. Most of us we don't put our ideas into practice. Don't ya de ano aka na sa akeke. Na mewe. Yebebe fami akwa abrochire ya de me kwa. You baby say me ma me be say afu say kwa wiye no abafa me sa na yakasa sa na ya didini akoda sa. We should implement what comes into our minds. No remember ya put a bomb ajuma ya ideas and ya me de ba yan. Let's practice them. You find your juma and I'm still already be trying and I'm sorry so. And the didn't show up by so. The next year, Baka, the Anabaka, near Bakoda, there they are not Kanakoda, and a man said, this year may be a business. The Baba Shah Juma said, well, come here, no Aquakoda. No, did you know Aquada, sir? Say, dear, son, by every be a man productive. They are son by a Juma. Send baya Nyakupo any about Juma and so. Most of us we don't do that. They never say Rakobon Pie near Beda. They are Cobon Pie near Beda. They are Cobon Pie near Beda. And to them Piara your problem. Every day There is not a single day nipa beka say na die eye that be your problem. That be your hobby that you so we are not being productive. Yes sir. So nipa dey say be ya juma den. Never born abra but one year. Ko bompa ye ba no abeda no watiti no hwe TV. That was just at the ever chino besa ko bompa ye. My brother, you are wasting your time and your energy. Let's work with our hands. Let's find something to do. No matter how small the work may be. What the ye say? Na juma we na mepe. The pay be try me kabia 10,000 Ghana cedis a month. Now I'm going to be able to try 2,000 na me. My university, my masters. My PhD, my way. Now me ko here juma ko je akatua na 2,000 there. And send on the faka. And send the return the na send say na and I mean no je actually be. So ni mu am catch us say. You the juma born in the juma papa. Juma born and the juma papa. And to begin it gather experience ye bribi. Then experience. Now, Juma, especially Juma, graphic, no number of years of experience. However, we need someone who has maybe 3 years experience in this, 10 years experience in this. What to our school? 3 years, 5 years. We need Juma Biada. Hey, Abraham said, are you not wasting your time? And then I am probably being Yempa bibi na yenye kakra be ye. Abraham se be ye. Etu yenye ni kakra. Etu ni nye fire te ase. But take up the job opportunity, take the offer. Na yenye ni kakra. Na find experience. What do you experience? I tell you, what bet to the engagement, papa? There's a member of a pandemic said, boom. There's only a be what there for be any real school. When you Juma Cassini here, it was a super Cassia straight. But you ever Chamika 20,000 cities a month. What was the experience? We are, I don't know. Let's be fruitful in the year 2022. Let us be productive. Let's work with our hands. It Osakafonika say was it. Ajuma bi a was abeka say wo ye no. For wo di nyina ye. Esa say adwini nyansa ni nimde eni asamando a obabeko. Let's work hard. Ye wo bebrebe ye du enwuma mu a na ye di abro ye nyire ye ho obi sina adwuma ani pe swa e so ba yire no be ye adwuma den emeboa adwuma na am making more profit say ne be adwuma be to tua ne kakase onye da because me pe swa na di chira say ne pe ni swa e to oni abro e to di adwuma mu a anya adwuma den na odi abro. No, dear bro. So I buy you no buy Jumatin. Oh, you need a home. A computer so not here. The phone soon or but dear bro, sir, I want you Jumatin. And we are expecting God to bless you. Yeah. What's your Juma, dear bro? And you know when you're Juma and you're Jumatin. Bompire saying, I mean, Fanny Shira, and also, yes, I know Shira. You need to work very hard. It was only was a so now you be. Yeah, Jumati. Yeah, oh, there you Jumati. There are these shall to me, Juma. Ben Yan Quadro, and Yan Kuansa. Obi na bi adwuma na yafa wa adwuma wo ma mi antumi amia bi wo papa antumi amia bi o wa fa bi mi adwuma ni bi obi ena ni papa bi adwuma ena ti fia ni bi bi abayo ena papa ya fa adwuma se ko fia ma ko ba tsama adwuma yi mame na bra ni anya adwuma na bo so ne so ma tua wo ka o ba adwuma re sika papa ni nya na afa ni adwuma bone ba tri ena krono ena wo wi adwuma wura ei eti ebe so here ya so nyame ona ya ne ara se ne oni pa so nyame etube hu obi a obenya obi a oye Kristo ni a wo be sa bo na adwuma wura krono oye Kristo ni ti asori kwa asori ba bo na adwuma wura krono na onye sika no a na de yan sa nyame na hira no na de na so wo ya kromfo you are a thief na na pa sa trabaji na urade pasa to res ka juma ura nyamo na wa cheke na ura frisa juma ura chia liable na ura frisa juma ura o chia rent na ura frisa juma ura beto stationary na ura free hoskane banai ene juma ni boso meso a ye ni asa bebrebe na fia yi na ade ma ye ska fia yi na ade ma ye na ni ura frisa juma ura ni po atwa na uka wo to stock ene di oto ni ma ni ba juma ni asa na ba beton transportation a cost to the business when the auto na ska ba na u complain so usike sa Sabe ya juma timben topu ajuma no income ina so ne ba ya ajuma ura benya bi ba ma wo no fe dia bro e na wudie na na ba ro ni wo fa money chow na ro ni kama kuma na fi ya wura mu ya fa juma den enya juma ya fa juma den nya juma na ro ni nam so be shira me ni umielu so be juma den ya wo shira me bebrebe to kwa manone a so wa kwa brochire pen a ni wani anje so brochire come offer with the Jewish people work very hard kwa brochire kwa yangu kwa asa o bi juma den there's the same person fi brochire be dukana pe na dia sesa yangu kwa asa na betom adwena sesa never so na juma den no na odidi agro. Let's be fruitful and multiply. Yenya kokasa. Yenya abro na yedi oman. Yedi yenuma. Yedi kasa ya ho. Say enimu at the moment o be kwa adwuma. Na be di adwuma ru abro no wodi wa ho abro. Esen sa adwuma ne yi a e na wo so be yi adwuma na ne yi a. Wonya yi because the adwuma ne nya e na di bi tua oka. Talking that your business is a guya, banks are under a guya. It has always a day or two or some movie, and a 20 guya, and now much of fear. So I can bank in Gusua and can know what Jumaya. As well as bank in a goods and now to fear. So if your business does well, I won't know your Juma woman, also a vessel here. Yes, your name, sir. And a yet dear bro. Yet your Juma na yet dear bro. Dear Juma na bro. Dear Juma na bro. Ye dear one bro. Dear Musia. Eh, did that one bro. So say a person Juma na bakoso. The man catch your answer. A man of the Guamu Quano. Some go to a mighty one. Borrow a mighty a dear. There's so many a year, and I was very year. Well, 20 a year, I was very year. So, too many a year, one so many year. Jeremiah said, Maria, a mighty a dear. You get Jeremiah chapter 29. verse 11. I saw verse 7. Was the movie a mighty dear? There's a mighty year. And I'm also somebody who do one bro. Jeremiah 29 verse 7. The more chrono, I remember to Memo to Muko Hono, dear. Now, Mama, I run in Pie Emano. Then the year, dear Moo, and I'm better year. The year, dear Moo. A chrono year, dear. Well, Germany year, dear. And I was better year. It's only at now. That dear bro. What that's now? Tell Germany and Yami Papa dear. Germany Yami Mammy dear. It's a man you know when you're Germany year. Who do one bro? Who do one bro? And Yami Nawanyamio. And Yami Nawanyami, ha? Say Germany go around the coffee. Yeah, but it's a German coup. Why never coffee? Now they are you. Then the German day. Every day, everyone join the mobile, everyone and Quasun now. And the German day, everyone and Quasun now. Now they are here, Poquasa. The German Bagu, Nasa German Gua. And the very 1 hour, who much in the one. Sir German Gua. And the very 1 night, ever go here. Germany Gua. And the one ever go with you and that. And I also said Germany yet. As I can try to shot, I could try to buy a bow. I can tell a barber bow because a German, the Oyan who did go a Germano. Why do Super Air go a Germano? Well, Bravo Bonnie, I open who did go a Germano. On your own. I never told me 30 minutes by only 2 hours in a buyer. First, I will not dodge it. Over me to do a Muna. Well, Muna, not a tear German. As I know, you want to talk about the blood food out of the pump customers. They say, I do a Rubaguno. There's a Juan Gua. And about 1 now, I'm at you. Another Bible now. Now you to my day. Now, but the first, a Juma Bonnie and the Sacrono. And then you cry. And this is the Rotiauka. Let us work very hard. Let us work very hard. Let us be productive in this year. There's a year we are productive for. I didn't so ever say a son of Juma so. I'm a Juma no I ye. I don't know. A brand of year what do more. Why don't be able to say here? Kakraba on Sunday, you make it sure that you didn't know Emanensa. They buy a mobile power, we are saying a bank for. Tell me, sir, when most of them, Busika, or Muska, Tensis, or Tensis, and this guy. And so be anyone, they beat the heart. Wherever does the Tensis there in this guy? I don't know. The little we will make in the month. Can't you appear I beg you. In this year 2022, let's set aside something. One, there's one thing. So every month, Biara will set aside something. Every month, Biara. Catch what I say. A fire marshal say every month. may save 10 Ghana cedis. Just tell yourself. Save your month, be able to save 50 cedis. Best save 20 cedis. Best save 10 cedis every month. Best save 5 Ghana cedis every month. And then, you see, what you need to do is to be consistent, is to be disciplined. When you are disciplined and consistent, I can assure you, say whatever you plan to serve every month, you can do it. You can do it. Last 2 years, the boss or Indian said, no, let's do voluntary service. But we are able to be let's serve it. And we did it. We did it last year. It's helped a lot of us. Let's do it. We can do it. Able to me here. So I did say every month we must save 100 cedis. Men can't tell. So that's the Kausaka. Who the other way? We free Mosusua. There was every month also must save 20 cedis. Papa, men save 20 the cocody. But so much no idea. So you 20 free more. Now they are serving now. But so So why are we killing ourselves? Why are we punishing ourselves? Say dear, dear Benjamin Piera. You are claiming in our everything. Tell say, Yaji Moody, I didn't say. You can't turn the end down to Eswa, everything. So, so much they take out 5 million. 5 million, the answer, and be here. Back of Upa, you find his store. Now pay about 495. You can live on the 495 for the month. And when is over cut down on some of your expenditure, you can make something out of the 5 cities every month. By the end of the year, you'll be able to accumulate 60 Ghana cedis. And it is a million. So 5 cities only 2 every month. Now at the end of the year, what do you mean 60 cities are? So I feel so. Now as a Boba Kuka told you, I know your name, my dear. A very well as a count come singer. But at the end of the year, you'll be able to save 60 cities. Able to be able to touch your name. Able to be able to be there, Mama. Who is also going to be able to accompany. So the baby, you can do it. Now you can tell yourself, I mean, tell yourself, say, I can do it, and I am going to do it religiously. Yes, Sika. Yes, Sika. Yes, Busika. And the tells you to go to bank in the other and that technology, but you need not work to the bank to make a deposit of 10 cedis. Just speak your mobile phone if you have mobile money or your phone. Just speak your phone. Now follow the prompt. You can pay in 10 cedis every day or every month into your account with any bank. Hey, what nanting for car? So the 10 cedis equal to account to you. You can do it from your phone. And to say, oh yeah, now. And you're very now, Fadia. Who do what, bro? And no one, bro. That's a woman. There are none more. Yan did that, you. That is every bit. And for young Padam. Yan every bit, I am mad. Yan every bit, I am. Yan every bit. And for young and children. I said about my Papa. Okay, Proverbs 22:7. But the rich rule over the poor, and the borrower is a slave to the lender. The rich, they rule over the poor. And it's a one year Juma. And to 2 number here, every here one. The Piers can form a do so. The Piers can form a do so. The rich rule over the poor, and the borrower is a slave to the lender. nipa no ba ya akwa nipa enu be ya akwa ti nana pai ti ana moye bene adi se be bobra no ene ya dre esi ye be bobra na ensa ye sika ye di be to di be sie ena boye mbra na awani be sha bra no so ama e be sie yie Saya da je saya bra saya sika. Branche no pai. Enu wa bro. Ana ba men du wa bro. Ena na pai men di wa bro. Tutwana mo ye. Na ya nya jumaden. Na ka kebe ba ya san biara. Minia. Set aside something. Fabi tu baby. No, Fabi see. Fabi tu baby. No, Fabi see. Sunday we calculation bi. I say. So to me the 50 cedis into every month for 10 good years at an interest rate of 5%. At the end of the 10 years, but we have 7,900 Ghana cedis. 7,900 Ghana cedis. So to make the success is better every month. You can do it. For 10 good years at 5%. Or 79 million. I understand. When you are to it, every to the candy, the cousin of us 79 million, but I be a winner. As well as 20 years. Well, you are 20 good years. As a cousin of us 79 million, but I winner. So call the 50 to every day, every month. For 10 years, cow 79 million. So keep the 100 cedis every month. For 10 years, at 5% by annum. Over there, 15,600. Yes, Kakatwa. Yes, Kakatwa. So to have 500 cedis every month. For 10 good years. At 5% by annum. Over there, 77,000. 770 million. What's the way? We are 20 good years. We are 30 good years. They can't offer 70,000, bruh. Be a winner. Be a winner. As well as 30 years. Be a 20 years. It's 70,000 winner. Can save 500 every month. For 10 years, having 70,000. But because 500 is ha, when you are, then the buyout in the car. You're able to be Biara. You're able to be Biara. You're more one thing. Say, you didn't see it. Kakra, you're able to be Biara. You're consistent. Empty. Say, 50 cedis a month. You're making sure, sir, at the end of every month, we'll save the 50 cedis. But say, by account to be beer. What's the crowd of for not on chair? Go home the account. What about your savings? To the account, or the the amount. But every month, just pay in 50 cedis every month. 50 for 10 good years. Whether 79 million. But say now, 79 million is not something small. There will be a only be unya. Every grand on the car. You ever talk a travel pack? Now you calculation, and you're watching what's the other day. There's a talk a travel saying 10%. And you're 2% of a country because saying, it's a bit of a say, no to say, like I say, we are always interested in taking loans. Demosia, you got a TV, you demosia, you got a phone, you demosia, you got a way. We should take money for something productive. Say, I demosia, and you got the income. Sawo jibu sende ba ye juma din fa so be ba me no ya dwene na so me jibu se de koto TV na de better dem na to ho na wo when we TV you will never die. Let's borrow for something productive. We shouldn't borrow for consumer goods. Sarah for our budget was here. Now they are got off phone. Our phones to be brand now will be and say, as somebody was saying, I got off phone. Who say, Usika? Oh, son. It's another pay. You have to announce a fair Asha 2022. I say, now 7th January. Financial finance, family so it's so young. We are only 7 days into the month, 7 days into the year. You can still do something. Whoever to me, I am repeat. And the amount during a year. I know about year. That I never repeat. Am I home? Ye baby ma home. And kakra ebe ye. They say, and kakra ebe ye. Let's begin to save something. You ever be busy? And the Muslim can send me. Chapter 13, verse 11. Proverbs chapter 13, verse 11. Solomon Mebusam. Etidu mi ansache mutu bako. Bible say. Ahunya di efra hudia mu efa. Le di odini nsa anu boabo ano no. Ema ne do. He who gathers little by little makes it grow. Koteshi bia shem kure papa empty. You can do one city little by little. Let's do one city every day. One city a day. Tell yourself, from today I will serve one city a day. One city a day translates to 30 cities a month. 80, I feel like when to be Alpha's hands here, you should be able to save 30 cities every month. A movement, 30 cities a month. 30 cities a month. Within a year. Over there, 360 cities. 3.6 million old cities. is about 3,600, which is very good. 1 cedi a day. If you can do more than 1 cedi, do it. If you can do 5 cedis, do it. You should be able to do something this year. You are able to say, I feel a sign. And I can come and I am to be every bit. You to be every bit. So this one is what? The super to me. So this one is so. So I'm going to do every 100 cedis a month. You can do it. Over to me, I am I want that cabin. There, I want to be there. But be any hot. Oh, to me there. Over to me, I am. I want that cabin. Now, Uncle Suba Entra. When I never did so Entra, let's do something. Let us do something. Let's cut down on our expenses and save some for our own future. Yes, for me, see it. Am I a Dutch? Yes, for me, see it. Am I a Dutch? Now you're branch here. What the prophet at the 22 verse 3? But also only to form money about and look on Hunter. And to call for fun. And that's so chair. Yeah, now what in that? Yeah, now what in that? I ain't telling you, baby. Yeah, what do you remember from? And service I am here. Then I never met Nancy. I don't think I might be a woman be a person. Social security. I buy him, sir. Who may need to be able to be there to have a pension. So I go with you, no, by a day. To the Honda. Yeah, me the Honda. There is baby this year. And for my dad. Yeah, baby this year. And for my dad. Yeah, baby this year. And for my dad. We shouldn't be doing hand to mouth. Hand to mouth. For baby this year. That's all expenses so. Or expenditure, that's so. Reduce your expenses. What it is what? Obey me this year at the amount that. Dear, and then the power said, and can officer said 2023 January. Then can we dear dance here? Then can we dear dance here? And several again will now. So what to me the cacas here at the amount that. Now the pay, and I do away in our bonnet running kayak. Now, and that. Yes, yeah. Well, too fine, I could put my own dear. Well, my young ones are here. Not young from my young brat. Now, the son. A young man said, Jeremiah son, you did be a best. So the Rome, I prophet chapter 9 verse 9, the Bible says, join us a fofo. Obeko so hunyansa. 2 nyansa fofo. Na obeko so hunyansa. And the young hunyansa. That I can try to end no. Young family see it. Motini ni ehunu de. Na obeko so na di hunumu. Chede bi tufo hunyansa. This can you na. Man, you know, I'll get you a son. It's an answer, ever so I can be. Live according to your means. Near Unyano and Numu and the Fatiti. Don't live above your means. Brother, I'll get you a son. Also perform by 4 over Boka. Oh, but talk out before my father say, Oba Boka. So let's live according to our means. Jeynyano anu na ya fa tsariasa. Enti ono bi the real school. Ono bosu na 10,000. Bosu me wuji 2,000. Ono odi ne be ko boarding school my brother. Think twice. Think twice. Live according to your means. Now make sure say the Bible say biara when the kakra ebe to ho and the amount dachi ebe su yie adapai aye na do besie awade man nsa so na awade nhyira na asama watie ya fa ye djuma ya fa asama na nte esu yie adapai ewo Yesu Kristo dine monti amen ya bo pai oduma ko ede wase e wa dum no mo bi onti